Let's unbox this Wyze camera from the TikTok shop. So this little camera has a ton of amazing features. It is 360 and 180. It has color night vision. It is 1080 full HD quality, 24/7 recording, so you can record day and night. It is weather resistant. Also, it has motion and sound detection, 120-inch wide angle screen, privacy mode, and two-way audio. Let's quickly open it up. All right. I'm super excited about this product. I will be testing it over the next couple of days, so make sure you follow for some more awesome content regarding this Wyze camera. First off, quick start guide. We will be going over it in another video, but let's get this camera out. Yo, it looks freaking awesome. As you can see, still in the plastic. I have to admit, this camera does have some weight. I thought it was going to be very light, but so far it feels very strong and sturdy, and it is pretty heavy. Let's see what else is in the box. We got this little packet right here. I don't want to rip it. It looks too clean. All right, so inside are the cables. We get a charging block, and then right here is the rest of it. Also the cable and some screws to mount it. Awesome. So there you go, guys. Quick little unboxing. So this is what you get inside of the Wyze camera box. You get the camera itself. Don't forget the stand, the charging block, and the charging cable, plus screws to mount it in front of your house, indoors, outdoors, wherever you want it, put it. Awesome. The camera is linked below, so get yours while they are still in stock.